Once their assignments are completed, expats need to prepare for their return home. Repatriation can be extremely stressful for the expat and their families. Home just doesn't feel quite like home when you've been gone for months or even years. Some expats will also need to find housing and transportation once they return. To help them cope with the unique challenges of this stage, training should teach them self-management techniques, what to expect, tips for success, and who to contact for help. They should also be brought up to date on some of the changes that have occurred in their host country and their parent employer. What has changed and how might it impact them? Managers need to meet with them as soon as possible after they return to check in and find out where they stand in terms of their career plans. How did the experience go? What did they learn? What are they ready for next? Depending on their needs, some of them may grow bored quite quickly after returning home because their regular jobs are not as exciting as their expat assignments, while other people may be ready for less excitement. Companies that take knowledge management seriously may ask expats to share their learning experience with the entire organization through webcasts or presentations. While the content of cross-cultural training will vary greatly, you now have some tools in your own toolkit to help you design the most effective programs possible.